Hey everybody, gotta do a quick video on this Rework Station 852D. It's got hot air and soldering iron, and you can set your fan speed, your air temp, and your soldering temperature. And I originally got this for computer work, for phones, computers, televisions, you name it, I fixed it. But that's why I needed the hot air for them circuit boards. But it comes with some soldering tips and the tips to put on for your hot air. And let's turn it on here. I got it set over 300 or something. It won't take long to get there. Look at her go. Alright, got it set there. So the soldering iron is nice and hot, it looks like. So, but yeah, trust me, it's hot. I don't need to melt no solder or anything. I was just doing a little bit of work in there. So anyway, yeah, got this on eBay. I think it was about 60 bucks. Right around there. Well worth it if you work on guitars or electronic repair at all. Might want to invest in one. It's pretty cool. I like it. Works for everything I need it for and more. But alright, thought I'd do a video on that real quick like. Sorry my lighting isn't the best. But yeah, there she is. Alright, 852D. Get them on eBay. Pretty cheap. Well worth it, guys. Alright, thanks for stopping in. Have an awesome night, guys. Bye-bye.